Hi, everyone, and welcome to our edition of Save with Dave. First and foremost, as always, thank you for being a member of the Idaho Education Association. One of the things, just as a quick reminder, when you utilize your NEA member benefits, it's a great way to put dues dollars back into your pocket and also address conversations pertaining to potential members or existing members when it comes up to cost and not being able to afford being a member. So, for our August edition of Save with Dave, I am actually going to cover three different topics. Introductory Life for brand new members of Idaho Education Association, Complimentary Life that's available for all active, non-retired members, and also our travelers, home, auto, and renters insurance. Now, an important thing to know, as an IEA member, IEA also provides an additional insurance option for home, auto, and renters. During our session and time together today, I will be covering the NEA member benefit version. So, in order to access everything that I'm discussing with you today, our website is neamb.com/start. If you have not done so yet, if you've never been to our website and signed up, the first thing to do is to create an account. Your personal email address will be your user ID. You'll create a password and answer a couple of questions. Then there will be a 2 to 3 day hold period in which your IEA membership is being verified from NEA 360. After that 2 to 3 day hold period, you will then have full access to our website. So if you go to the top of the page, kind of to the left, click on Benefits and Discounts, and then underneath Life and Accident Insurance, click on See All. Upon going to See All, you will then see the two policies that I covered with you. Now, for the NEA Complimentary Life Insurance, this is available to all active non-retired members. And NEA member benefits actually pays for this, for you to have it every single year. Here's what it provides you with: $1,000 in life coverage, $5,000 in accidental death and dismemberment, $50,000 coverage if you are in an accident while at work or at an association event. So for example, a delegate assembly, a local meeting, any association event, this would actually cover $50,000 on your behalf. And the final coverage through the NEA Complimentary Life Insurance is if you are the victim of an unlawful homicide. So think of things such as school shootings. This would actually pay $150,000. Now, the challenge is a number of our IEA members have not registered a beneficiary or updated a beneficiary. For example, if they've gotten married, divorced, had a child, or simply something's popped up to where they would like to change the person, a number of our IEA members have not yet registered a beneficiary. Then there's the NEA Introductory Life Insurance. So this is for brand new NEA members that are IEA members for the very first time. And one thing just to kind of share with you real quick, the relationship: a member in any state, for example, Idaho, is automatically also a member of the National Education Association. And because of that relationship, you have access to NEA member benefits, and not one penny of your dues dollars goes towards any of these events. Now, for the NEA Introductory Life, brand new first-time IEA members actually have access to a $15,000 term life insurance policy. No medical checks, no exams, no questions. You automatically receive this. This is good for the first 12 months of you being a brand new IEA member. Now, once you've hit that 12th month and the time has passed, this policy will go away, but they will provide you with an option to where you can keep the $15,000 life insurance policy in place for a nominal monthly charge. But the NEA Complimentary Life Insurance policy stays in place whether you keep this one or not. Next, going back up to our benefits and discounts tab, I would like to share with you the home and auto insurance provided by the NEA member benefits. So that is actually under home and auto insurance. It's the first tab. You can click on that. And as I mentioned, this is actually through Travelers. Now, the nice thing about this is that you actually will receive a discount for your home, auto, or renters policy through Travelers. So you're able to take advantage of this. The average savings is actually over $400 a year. And they're just like, most insurances, you can get multi-policy discounts. For example, home, or renters, and auto. They have students away at school discounts. So a number of different things. So I just want you to check this out when you have an opportunity. And at the same time, not forget that you also have access to an additional provider directly through the IEA relationship. So as a quick recap, you need to go to neamb.com/start to access our website. And today we covered the complimentary life insurance that's available for free to all IEA members that are active and not retired. We also covered the introductory life that's available to brand new IEA members during the first 12 months of their being an IEA member. And finally, we covered the NEA member benefits option for discounted home, auto, renters insurance through Travelers. Again, thank you so much for being an IEA member. Be safe. Welcome back to school. And please join us each month to check out Save with Dave, where we will cover at least 2 different benefits every month. Thank you.